You're gonna fall. Stop! Stop! Stop!
Oh, I got her! Oh. Can you read this? Oh my god!
Hi. Can I touch you?
No!
Oh, okay.
Did you steal my phone? Did you?
Is it time for smelling salts? What's this? Oh!
You are a fox. Funky.
So chunky. I'm so sorry.
No! No! Hey! Hey!
Oh, it's monkey o'clock.
You don't belong in there. Is it there?
Unbelievable. No.
Bentley, where are you? Come here. Bentley.
Little black, hang on. Oh gosh.
Not alone. Advocacy groups say that nationwide more than 700
Huh?
Oh, hello.
Mr. Chief, face the camera.
What are the raccoons doing in the bathroom? Oh, well, hello, Rosie. What you doing there, kid? Where's that squirrel? Look, 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 look. Where's the squirrel? Where's look, 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 look.
Look, there's some of it. Oh, she's filming. Look, I forgot the car.
This is what happens when dogs are left alone for 5.
Norby! Norby!
What are you doing, bro?
If you love animals as much as we do, don't forget to like and subscribe. This monkey looks like he's thinking about life.
O! O, do kogo piszesz? Good boy.
That's a bit too much help.
Just got those little I-beams and stuff, right?
Oh my Yeah. You have food. You have food.
Devuélveme a ver esto.
Did you do that?
At that point, he was basically admitting everything.
Why did you chew up my shoe? Why would you do that?
Really? Oh my goodness. Please don't fart.
What are you doing? You're turning my camera.
When it comes to basketball, though, monkeys seem to be doing just fine.
What did I tell you?
Ready? Yeah. Make it happen.
Trust doesn't come easy for some dogs.
I like you. She don't like you. She likes you.
Alright, come on. What the hell? Come on. Oh my gosh.
That dog takes toy selection very seriously. A man's coffee kept disappearing, so he finally set up a camera.
Can I have a kiss, please? Hey, can I have a kiss?
That's all for today. Thanks for watching. They grow bigger every month, but never outgrow the puppy energy.
And that is how you take the city transportation.
Oh my god.
Outside privileges have been revoked. Today, you just found it.
Where are you going? I think he's in love.
That's sick.
Oh my god.
Yo,
Look,
that is gone.
You can try to put it on.
Gonna put it on, bro?
He's not gonna put it on.
Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
He's not gonna.
Nah! Nah!
Oh my god.
Male sage grouse perform this display every spring in the same spot, called a lek, to attract females.
Look how you're sitting. Skin Shady, I think you forgot to get your leg.
That dog thinks attention is a full-time job.
Так заходишь в комнату, а тут собака-убийца. Вот она, очень страшная. Вообще не понимаю, как еще с нас не съела. Can you come out? Come on, baby. You got it. You got it. Come on. Big boy. Big boy. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, little lady. Come on.
Hi, sleepy boy. Hi, sleepy boy. Hi, sleepy boy.
Oh my God, who is that?
Wildlife in Australia always seems way too comfortable around humans.
Laura? Really?
Hey, who ate my KFC? Hey, Morgan, did you eat my KFC?
If weaponized incompetence were a dog,
Blanky. Oh, thank you. Come on then. Oh. You got your blankie for snuggles.
at this point, orangutans are basically just very hairy people.
You're trying, aren't you, baby?
That dog has way too much confidence in this tortoise's athletic ability. It's honestly amazing how many unique creatures exist in nature. That's a very special kind of comfort. Huh? Huh?
Say hi. Hi. Hi, Daddy.
still haven't learned how to steal cars. Couldn't have picked a better spot. Hey friends, if you needed a reason to smile today,
Okay, somebody's fucked. Oh, yep.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Oh my god, pumpkin!
Oh, Gypsy.
Oh my god. Are you embarrassed? Come on, buddy. Okay. Whoa. Oye, no. No. Totoro, no.
What are you doing?
What will it be, Mr. Bond?
B5? Yes, good girl.
What's wrong with your eye? Oh, you wanna go outside? You wanna go outside and play?
Ha 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 ha.